Discover the fascinating process of how crocodile meat is produced, from farming to your table. This unique meat offers a lean, nutritious alternative to traditional meats, and the production process ensures the highest standards of quality and safety. So, how do they do it? The journey begins with selecting the right crocodiles. Experts choose crocodiles based on species, size, and health. Only healthy crocodiles are selected to ensure the meat is of the highest quality. Commonly farmed species include the Nile crocodile, saltwater crocodile, and the American alligator. These selections are made considering their growth rates, meat quality, and adaptability to farm conditions. By choosing the best crocodiles, producers lay the foundation for high-quality meat that meets consumer expectations. Once the right crocodiles are selected, they are moved to farms designed to mimic their natural habitats. These farms provide a controlled environment where crocodiles can thrive, with optimal water quality, temperature, and nutrition. Spacious enclosures are used to reduce stress and promote healthy growth. Farming crocodiles is a long-term commitment, as it can take several years for them to reach maturity. During this time, careful monitoring and adjustments are made to ensure the well-being of the animals. This includes regular checks on water conditions, feeding routines, and health assessments. The dedication to farming practices ensures a steady supply of high-quality crocodile meat, meeting market demands while maintaining ethical standards. By providing a natural-like environment, farmers can produce healthy, robust crocodiles ready for processing. This careful and consistent care is essential for producing top-quality meat and maintaining the overall sustainability of crocodile farming. Timing and method are crucial in crocodile farming. The meat's quality is influenced by the timing of the harvest. Crocodiles are usually harvested at an age and size where their meat is tender and flavorful. The method involves humane practices to minimize stress and ensure animal welfare. These methods are meticulously planned to maintain the integrity of the meat. Proper timing and method ensure that the crocodile meat is of the highest quality, ready for processing. Slaughtering and skinning are essential steps in the production of crocodile meat. The process starts with the humane euthanization of the crocodile, ensuring the animal does not suffer. Once euthanized, skilled workers carefully skin the crocodile, meticulously preserving both the meat and the valuable hide. Precision is key in this task to keep the skin intact, as it is a valuable byproduct used for leather production. After the skin is removed, the meat is meticulously separated from the carcass, ensuring minimal waste and maximizing the yield. Maintaining a sanitary environment throughout this process is vital to uphold the quality and safety of the meat. The sanitary conditions prevent contamination, ensuring the meat remains suitable for consumption. This stage ensures that both the meat and the skin are of high quality, ready for further processing. The meat is prepared for food production, while the skin is sent off for leather goods production, adding value to the entire process. Processing crocodile meat involves several stages to prepare it for consumption. First, the meat is thoroughly inspected and trimmed to remove any excess fat and connective tissue. Skilled butchers then cut the meat into various portions, such as fillets, steaks, and ribs, catering to market demands. Each cut is meticulously handled to ensure it retains its natural flavor and texture. Tenderizing the meat is a critical step in this process, enhancing its tenderness and making it more palatable. This careful handling ensures that the meat maintains its high quality throughout. Once the meat is prepared, it is packaged in portions suitable for retail or wholesale distribution. The entire process is designed to preserve the meat's quality, ensuring that consumers receive a product that is both delicious and nutritious, ready for cooking and consumption. Quality control and safety are fundamental aspects of crocodile meat production. From farming to packaging, stringent quality checks are rigorously applied. Each batch of meat undergoes thorough visual inspections to ensure uniformity and the absence of defects. Advanced laboratory tests are conducted to detect any pathogens, contaminants, and to verify nutrient levels, ensuring the meat is safe for consumption. Experienced inspectors oversee these processes, ensuring compliance with all safety standards. At every stage of production, continuous checks are performed to maintain high standards. This includes monitoring the health and diet of the crocodiles on the farm, ensuring that they are raised in clean and controlled environments. During processing, the meat is handled in sanitary conditions to prevent contamination. All equipment used in the production process is regularly cleaned and sanitized. In addition to these measures, traceability systems are in place to track the meat from the farm to the final product. This allows any potential issues to be quickly identified and addressed. The rigorous quality control process ensures that only the best crocodile meat reaches the market. By implementing these comprehensive safety and quality protocols, producers can confidently provide consumers with a product that is not only delicious, but also safe and nutritious. This meticulous attention to quality control reassures consumers that they are receiving a premium product, maintaining trust and satisfaction in crocodile meat products. Packaging is the final step before distribution. The processed crocodile meat is measured and placed into vacuum-sealed packages to prevent air and contaminants from affecting the product. This process is carried out in a controlled environment to ensure hygiene and safety. Each package is labeled with important information, such as the type of cut, production date, and storage instructions, ensuring transparency and building consumer trust. Some producers offer eco-friendly packaging options using recyclable materials. Proper packaging protects the meat's freshness and quality, making it ready for distribution. Once packaged, the crocodile meat is ready for shipping and distribution. The containers are transported to warehouses and distribution centers, where they are stored until they are shipped to retailers and customers. Efficient logistics ensure that the meat reaches its destination quickly and in optimal condition. Temperature-controlled transportation is used to prevent any degradation of the product during transit. Retailers then stock the crocodile meat on shelves, making it readily available to consumers. The entire shipping and distribution process is designed to maintain the quality and freshness of the meat, ensuring that customers receive a product that meets their expectations. Finally, the crocodile meat reaches consumers through various retail channels, including grocery stores, specialty meat shops, and online platforms. Customers can choose from a variety of cuts and preparations to suit their culinary needs. The packaging provides clear instructions on how to store and cook the meat, making it easy for consumers to incorporate crocodile meat into their meals. Whether it's for a unique dining experience or a regular protein source, crocodile meat offers a versatile and nutritious option. The entire production process, from farm to consumer, ensures that the final product is fresh, flavorful, and of the highest quality. So, there you have it. The fascinating journey from farm to table, producing high-quality crocodile meat. This process combines careful farming practices, meticulous processing, and strict quality control to deliver a unique and nutritious meat product. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.